Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. Drought concerns have certainly faded for some U.S. cattle producers in 2013. The amount of countryside affected by drought has shrunk compared to a year ago. However, the number of U.S. beef cows grazing in drought conditions remains historically high. The U.S. Drought Monitor website shows improvements since October 2012 has been prevalent throughout the western Corn Belt and as far south as eastern Oklahoma. While this area has found improvement since last fall, much of the southwest and west has struggled with deteriorating growing conditions. These weather changes translate to a relatively large portion of the U.S. beef cow herd remaining in drought-stressed pastures. In July 2013, around 27% of the U.S. beef cow herd resided in areas considered by the U.S. Drought Monitor to be in severe to exceptional drought. This value is down nearly half compared to the record highs in July 2012 at 53%. Yet drought remains at critically high levels. For perspective, consider the 14 years since January 2000. In 8 of those years, more than 25% of the U.S. beef cow herd has been in extreme drought conditions at some point during the year. While cow-calf producer margins have been relatively strong throughout much of this time, weather conditions have limited beef cow expansion. Year-to-date, beef cow slaughter is up 2%, while heifer slaughter is down 3%. Beef cow slaughter was significantly higher than 2012 throughout the spring, but is back to running at below year-ago levels. While heifer slaughter as a percent of fed cattle slaughter was steady to weaker than last year through mid-June, and has now moved higher in recent weeks. These trends show drought continues to delay U.S. beef cow expansion, and attention should turn to 2014 for signs of meaningful herd growth. Fed cattle prices were steady in the south at $119 per hundredweight this week, while values in the north were not established at recording time. Feeder cattle prices were steady to $2 higher, while calves were steady to as much as $4 per hundredweight higher for the week. Slaughter cows were mostly steady to $2 higher, as much of the southern plains received rain over the past week, improving the outlook for winter grazing programs and increasing demand for lighter weight cattle. Box beef values were mostly steady for the week, but demand remains relatively weak coming into early August. Interest for wholesale beef continues to improve, especially for deliveries in late August and early September. Corn values moved lower during the week as the crop appears to be in good shape after pollination. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Become a member at CattleFax.com.